Well, good morning, my tubers. I just want to say you guys are in for a treat today. We got a special guest star, and it's Uncle Leo. Let me give you a little insight, probably. My neighbor downstairs on the second floor, their hot water heater, it broke. I'm not sure exactly what went wrong with it, but it seemed to me like the thermocoupling needed to be replaced. It wouldn't stay lit. Like you would hold the button down and it would light the little pilot, and you would hold that button down for an hour. I held that thing down for an hour and I fucking let it up and the thing went right out. So I went to the store thinking that I could solve all the problems because, you know, how Dizzy is. He's smarter than a frig of sack. So I go down there and, beg my pardon, I go down there and I put the new one in and do it all over again, and the same thing happened. So I don't know what the problem was. I called the manufacturer and everything else, and the water heater was discontinued, and all we could use was one of those universal thermostats, and I don't think that was adequate, or whatever the case may be. So we replaced it with a new water heater, and Uncle Leo came over and gave me a hand. I mean, I'm not a professional or everything, but Uncle Leo seems to think he is. So enjoy the show, and I want to say a shout out to VW Darren. I'm thinking of you. I'm hoping everything's healing properly, and I hope you get back out in the garage as soon as possible and start making some videos. Be nice to get an update, at least hear how you're doing. And thanks again to all my new subscribers. Love that kind, and love the mail calls too. So enjoy the show. Oh, I forgot to tell you one more thing. Read that shirt. Save a biker. Open your fucking eyes. You know what I mean? Springtime. Bikes are out there. Be safe.
What are we doing, boys?
Okay, no, too hot now. Let's put it on there. What we gotta do?
We're doing pipe work.
Oh my goodness, if you show people I know how to do this.
Oh, okay, we won't. But do you see this brand new tank that my brother had to get? That means Tina has the old one for scrap.
I mean, I have to switch the tank. Switch the tank. Well, that way.
I can.
Yeah.
Yeah, so once we cut it,
You have to cut two of them. Just one.
just one.
Get this top one.
I'm gonna make a mark right there with my handy dandy. Ooh, that's hot. Remember that kind. Remember that kind. When I pull this to here, that's gonna be there. That's gonna be there. I'm gonna take this bitch right off and cut that shit.
Why is it always going to be a bitch?
Because it ain't never fun, if that's what you're trying to say. Oh. See the muscles on this blind dude?
I see you have an eye. Take a hit of that pipe bowler.
Smoke it.
I gave the pot cutter to your husband when he did the thing.
My husband? I don't have a husband.
Oh. Clean with that.
That's all?
Well, when you're good, you're good.
All right.
Okay, now get that fucking chimney thing work.
The chimney thing, yeah, that's
Is it all tight by hand or by toe wrench?
yeah, that's just by hand.
Oh.
This one I think is by wrench, but that one's by hand. You can check them both just to make sure. And
A chimney thing?
Got this chimney thing here.
Oh. They have a new one that went with that.
oh yeah,
Yeah.
I don't think it was.
The chimney thing it is.
There's a hole.
I think we gotta cut it a little.
This one here.
Yeah, it's too long.
You want to put the water in? Let's put some water in. Oil.
It's that valve above your
Yeah,
head.
put these out.
Let the air out. Always remember that. No, that's all. This isn't a turn thing. That just pops up and down.
No, I want to push it down so the air comes out of there.
I don't think you can. Oh,
Oh. Holy. Whoop. That's a chimney thing.
that how would do.
Finagling how to fix it up. Always something going on here, huh?
Oh yeah.
Oh, leakage.
What's leaking?
I don't know.
One with the screws, one with the nipple.
There's one screw here.
Yeah, you finagle there. Can you make that a 90 the other way? Make it a little crooked.
How's that?
No, it ain't in there. No, this thing. Let me see that.
What?
Take these out. See if they twist this.
Oh.
Twist this, you know what I mean?
Uncle Leo, it's so old it don't want to twist.
It's not on the thing, though.
Oh, look at my light wax.
Oh,
There you go.
No. Oh, I see water dripping too.
Yeah. I can't figure out where the hell's coming.
Not down the bottom.
Yeah, put it on there the way. Oh yeah. Let's sand that out some more with a couple
Oh.
of wrenches.
Oh, sorry. Beg my pardon.
Okay.
Yeah.
Good.